Alright, let's just check this out again. Okay, plug, check, and it's fitting just fine. Okay, system, check, no jams. Alright, okay. Oh, please work. Please, for the love of God, work. Oh, fuck. There is nothing wrong with the thing. You just start printing! God dang it! Why did I buy this piece of crap? I'm not hiring a bloke to fix it either. That's just more money wasted. Will you fucking use the paper? It's right there! Oh, and it just stopped working. Oh, fucking great. Paper, just get! Look, look. There's no jams. Look, no jams. No fucking jams. Just work! 200 quid this, and it's a fucking paperweight! We've been at this for 20 minutes. Come on! Will you just work? Oh, it's alive!